step-by-step drawing of honeybee. With the help of this, we are going to complete this assignment. For that, we require oil pastels, permanent marker, pencil, and this worksheet. Here 4 steps are given. In first step you have to draw the oval shape, then heart shape as wings, and then circle as a face. Okay, like this we are going to draw with the pencil first. Afterwards we are going to do border by permanent marker. Like this. It is very easy to draw if you follow the steps. Slowly make a circle like this. For eyes, I am doing one more small circle and inside another one small circle. This line for making a texture or pattern. Now we are going to do coloring. In this worksheet I am using the blue color for wing. You can change any color, colorful also you can color. When you color any part, you have to do border and outline part first. Like this we are going to color. I am using the domes color. You can use any type of colors. Like this, the outline will be finished. You can paint it fast afterwards. But be carefully, it will be not going outside. You have to control on your hand when you are painting some part. Now with the help of this tool, I am going to clean and make a plane. Afterwards, it looks like this. Same way we are going to paint our remaining part. First outline, then inside. This step we have to follow always. Like this. Another small part is there back side. Yes. For face I am using the orange color and in between I am using a dark brown. It's not real drawing, it is a creative or artificial, you can say as a cartoon also called it. But basically for lower class you can imagine like this as a honeybee. For face, orange color. finish, I'm going to make smooth by using the tools. When you using these tools, you have to use properly, because sometimes what will happen, that rough part will be going outside and it will be also color outside the drawing. Like this you want to finish it. Afterwards it look like this. With the 4 steps we learn how to draw and color honeybee. Step number 3, step number 4, like this. Thank you.